Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am with my 3 planners, and I wanted to take you guys through a flip through of September in all 3 of my planners. Let's get started. First planner I will take you through is my Archer and Olive, and this is the planner that I use for work. So let me just make sure I'm flipping to the right page here. So this is for the week of August 30th through to September 5th. Let me focus here. And this is where I use stickers from Create with Mandy. So it was a mix of her stationery stickers, her terrazzo stickers, and then I mixed it with some Simply Gilded washi. And I really like the effect of the mod liner. Was it mod liner or Tombow? I can't remember what I used, but I really love the overall effect of this spread. Then the following week, I actually used some stickers left over from a kit from Let's Plan It. So I also combined it with some washi from Simply Gilded, but I just love the overall effect, and I believe this kit was called Fern, and I found some matching Tombow Duo brush pens to go with it. And just really love the overall effect of it. It's very neutral and kind of a great transition into fall. Then for the week of the 13th onwards, I used actually a combination of stickers from Let's Plan It, as well as some flowers from According to Ali. And I really love the combination of the colors. And I think also trying to combine different mod liners and Tombow Duo brush pens just really makes it stand out. And then for the week of September 20th onwards, so the first week of fall, I used the fall florals and the pumpkins from According to Ali, as well as a few of her fall quotes. And these were actually such great colors to choose because I think they went so perfectly well with all of Ali's stickers. And then I used some of my blackout date covers as well. And then last week's spread using comfy and cozy stickers from According to Ali, again combining it with my blackout date stickers as well as my to-do stickers. I just love the overall effect of this because I love the boxes and the combination of the washi. Just one of my favorite spreads for the month of September. So let's move on to my Hemlock and Oak. So for the week of August 30th onwards, it was the first week of school for my kids, and this is the Hobonichi back to school kit from the Coffee Monsters Co. And I love being able to use both Hobonichi kits as well as just regular vertical weekly kits in the Hemlock and Oak, because the columns are, if you go from before the hourly to the end, the columns are the exact width of vertical columns that you would find in an Erin Condren or a Happy Planner, and or in a Hobonichi. You can actually make either kit work, and I just love being able to use different kinds of kits in this planner. But again, aren't the emojis just super cute for the first week of school? And then for September 6th onwards, this is where I used the Fern kit from Let's Plan It. So I do have a tendency to try and get my planners to match. So love the full boxes, and this was actually a mini kit from Let's Plan It. So again, showing you how you can use a mini kit or a Hobonichi kit in the Hemlock and Oak, and it just works out so well. I feel like I didn't really fill out this planner as much. It was one of those weeks where I just was not in, when you're not in a really great headspace, you don't really fill out your planners as much as you normally would. So, but again, overall effect though was just really pretty. And then for the week of September 13th, I used another kit from Let's Plan It, and I can't remember the name of this one actually, but this one I felt just a lot better in terms of just how I felt overall. So you can see that it is filled in a lot more, and this was also the week that I started to play around with fountain pens, you know, put in another order, and you can see I'm using different colored inks here as well. Just a whole bunch of experimentation. But this particular kit from Let's Plan It is actually a Hobonichi kit, so you can see the difference between a Hobonichi kit and a mini kit and what comes with each, but both work out so well in the Hemlock and Oak. And then for the week of September 20th onwards, it is the first week of fall, so I actually used my own date covers, the blackout date covers, and then the pumpkins as well as the fall florals and fall quotes from According to Ali. I really loved being able to put the stickers wherever I like and working them to what works best for me. You know, using a few stickers from Coffee Monsters Co., Green Darner Designs, Let's Plan It, I love that one, Be Do & Co. Just, it's so fun being able to combine both the fun emoji stickers with the really gorgeous deco stickers. And then last week's spread where I used my stickers for the very first time. So you've got the washi here from the Abstract Leaves collection. You've got some Post-its from my collection and the actual deco here as well as the dots. Love having used my own stickers in this week, but also playing around with fountain pens and different color fountain pens in here as well. Super, super fun. All right, so that is the flip through in my Hemlock and Oak. Let's move to the Happy Planner. I don't normally show this planner after the pen because it is my journal, but I will show you guys what it looks like after the pen because I have been playing around with different colored inks from fountain pens. So I think it just looks gorgeous now. So this is the September monthly spread, and what I've been trying to do is write one thing I'm grateful for every day, but now I've also tried to add little emoji stickers for each day to kind of describe what I've done, and I think the effect, it just adds so much more. Let's look at August. I mean, August I did the same. July was more just the script, but then when you start to add the emojis, I think it just adds an extra level of fun. So that is my monthly spread, and I have loved adding those emojis, and it's also a great way to get through all of your stickers. Then August 30th onwards, where I'm still using black ink. That makes it sound so bad and boring, black ink, but I mean, I love black ink. And these are the stationery stickers and the terrazzo stickers and the rainbow stickers from Create with Mandy. The week of September 6th onwards, I was using the fern kit from Let's Planet, along with the washi from Simply Gilded. And then this is the week where I believe I got one of the fountain pens, so started using different ink on this side. And these are the Comfy and Cozy stickers from According to Allie. And I combined it with some of this washi from Together with KX, along with some Simply Gilded washi as well. And then for the first week of fall, I actually combined two different ink colors. So this is Diamine Cocoa Shimmer, and this one I believe is Diamine Arabian Nights. So both are shimmering inks, and I, again, love being able to combine it because the kit actually lends itself well. This kit is from Let's Planet, and then the florals are from According to Allie, but the kit lends itself well to being able to use different colored inks, and it's an extra step above just using black ink. And then last week I used stickers from my Autumn Leaves collection that was just released on October 2nd, and I combined it with the Diamine Meadow ink, as well as this one is Diamine Caramel Sparkle, and then this one is actually J Herbin Café des Îles. I will try show you what inks I do have in a different video here. But again, just adding the color inks is an extra step, and I do love that, and I love being able to experiment with different inks now. All right, so that is my Happy Planner. So there is the flip through for September in all three of my planners. I hope it gave you guys a bit of an idea for how to go about using your planners, or how to use and decorate your planners for different types of spreads. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.